How to record shows on Peacock. So, first, turn off hardware acceleration on your browser. The only way to record a movie or show on Peacock is to use your computer's built-in screen recorder. However, if you don't have stable hardware acceleration, you may get a black screen when trying to record streaming websites such as Peacock. So on your Chrome browser, click on this three dots at the top right of your screen, and then click on Settings, click on System, and toggle off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Now, log into the Peacock TV website. So you must have a subscription to watch movies and shows on Peacock. And then from here, go ahead and navigate to the movie or show you want to record. You can also use the search bar or browse the homepage. Now go ahead and open a recording software. Your device may already come with a recording software. On Windows 11, this is the snipping tool. On Windows 10, you can use the Xbox Game Bar. On Mac, you can use the built-in screenshot feature. Now start recording the video. Depending on your program, you may need to click the record button before you start the video. And then when you're finished, stop recording. Check your program's default save location to check your recorded video. And that is how you can basically record a show on Peacock.